First I am coloring the bread with yellow color. Now let's add some orange. Now to color the onions, I am coloring them pink. Now for the tomatoes, I think the red will look good for the tomatoes. Now insides. Now I am going to color the lettuce green. Now it's time to color the cheese with yellow color. Do you like cheese? I like cheese.
Yes, I like cheese.
Now to color the second layer of bread with orange. Sandwich is now complete. By the way, do you like sandwiches?
Yes, I like.
Thank you. See you in next video.